Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive assets on your Ellipal Titan 2.0. If you want to receive assets on your Ellipal Titan, all you need to do is simply click on receive under the type of coin you want to receive. So you can click on Bitcoin to receive it, Ethereum, you can add a coin if you don't have it listed, and I will be receiving Solana, so I'll just click on receive. Now, basically, the other person that wants to transfer money to you, or you can do it yourself from your different wallet, you'll need to scan the QR code in the transfer process. So I will put my phone right here and then click on transfer. Now I click on send crypto, and I will select just this button because in Coinbase this is where you scan a QR code. I'll scan this QR code. This is gonna be the address of the wallet. Now I'll select USDC because I want to transfer USDC, and of course over the Solana network because I've scanned the Solana. Right now, if I'm gonna transfer maybe let's transfer some small amount. Let's see if that'll do. I'll just click on preview. Then I will select self-custody wallet, and I'm sending it to myself, so let's click on continue. And it turns out the minimum amount is 1 USDC, so I'll do that. Let's do 1, preview, sending to myself, continue, and now send now. And it's basically done. Of course, for some types of wallets, if they don't have an option that you're sending it to yourself, then they will charge you a fee. In my case, somehow it didn't charge me in the Coinbase, but now I don't really need to do anything with the cold wallet for now because I can simply refresh the app, and you can see I have received 1 USDC. If I go to Solana, I can see I have 1 USDC. And that is basically how you can receive money. In other videos, you'll learn how to send it or how to view the balance, but you've already saw how to view the balance. Just refresh the app if you have your wallet connected, and if you don't know how to connect your wallet to an app, there is a video on it on our channel. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.